Yeah, nganzakwethu, this is Devon Network. I'm your host Usabela Mfokandabasa. Njengamanje ngisegroundini emathafeni sport ground la kudlala khona ke iDream Cup. Sibambene ke ziyaqukulana insizwa. I think it's match 4 or match number 5 right now. Kanti ke manje nginoMahaye, a huge supporter of Kaizer Chiefs. Othe naye angeke asasala uzozela azobuka iDream Cup, the Spirit Indebe yamaphupho ehostelwa emathafeni kaMgayi mfowethu, all the way from la ubuya khona. We tell you just want to be the part of the Dream Cup.
Yes, of course. We wanted to be part of the Dream Cup.
Yeah.
Why? Because of spirit and love of football.
Yeah.
We love football and we love that such initiative. This is the biggest initiative ever because you might also remind yourself or recall that most of our professionals and veterans are coming from rural areas. Yeah. If you, the likes of Dr. Kumalo, Linda Btelezi, David Nyati, Rukasatebe, all those guys, some they coming from Newcastle, abanye kunamanje senabo Andile Chale banamhlanje. Bakhumbula ukuthi besino sinabadlali la go Pirates siyabonga Sangweni from emakhaya koMpangeni no Derek Spencer ko Showe.
That's true.
So le initiative yakempela le akuyona is not just like a Dream Cup by say, you know, but it's a reality thing. If these guys they take it with both hands, bakwazi ukudira nawo ngendlela right. Abanye few of them ngoba ngeke sibe successful song, but few of them one day siyoba praise, one day siyobe sibakhomba kodwa kuyobe kungabo bemele izwe sokuyibona sibakhotha la
mfowethu. Ukusuka kweni la nisuke khona neza la kubonisa kakhulu uku-appreciate i-initiative eyenzeka kakhulu endaweni esemakhaya, for which we already know ukuthi iy'ndawo ey'thanda ukucindezeleka in terms of sponsorship, in terms of mentorship as well. So kusho ukuthini kuwena ukuthi ufike ubone izinga lebhola lingaka endaweni esemakhaya?
Yangijabulisa kakhulu. Remember ukuthi nami ngwasemakhaya, ngwaseNkandla mina and sengakhe Showe kodwa ngokuhlala ngisemlazi sisuka eMlazi. Next week we going to Richards Bay. Usiyabonga Sangweni tournament. Simenyiwe Derek Spencer. Siqala ku Spencer siyabonga Sangweni. Siyahambela izindawo zasemakhaya kakhulu mina ngoba ngikutshela ngithi sengibonile zivukuza noma zivusa abantu ey'ndaweni. Uyabona uma ungabheka oMabhudi Khanyeza, Rizuma besuke eHammersdale itelele kanje isemaplazini. Then lonke ngakutshela nawe ukuthi yazi umuntu uyavuka umuntu abe yinto endaweni edelelekile. So lento engiyibuka la mina is amazing. Nane talent abanalo, you know, nangendlela aba-attacka one another ngathi ama-professionals. You know, it's entertaining ukuba la, ngi-happy nje. It's like ngisho i-crowd uma uyibuka uyabona is fully packed. Into like bengayi-expectanga, but uma ngifika la such an amazing tournament. Angisakwazi nje ukuhamba manje ngiyacabanga but sesiphoqwa isimo ngoba sine-meeting ekhona emhlanga yasesport siqhubana nesport.
Ukuthi sesivala nje ungathini kubathandi be-Dream Cup?
Bathandi be-Dream Cup mina ngicabanga ukuthi iDream Cup iyona ngempela lokuthiwa ngabe kuthiwa ikiyona Dream Cup ngoba zonke izinto ziqala la vele. Mangabe kuthiwa there is a dream kuqala la weba yomunye umuntu eyibuka ewusibanibani osefieldini noma ibone ugoalkeeper ebizwa ngokhune ebizwa ngobani endaweni ngakubo siyakwazi lokho. Kodwa iphupho lakhe yena silibona lenze njani lifezeke ukunamanye amaphupho. Le cup le isho likhulu mfethu. Mina ngibona ukuthi iDream Cup ingayeki ingadiki ibali. Futhi ngifisa sengathi ngathola abanye abaxhasi. Futhi ingayeki nokusivisita noma kumapha ama tournament. Dream Cup ngiyakhumbula ukuthi athi ikhona na Cover Cup. I was there. So they showcase their talent, they showcase ukuthi ku space se football and ukuthanda ibhola abakhona. So why singabathanda? Why singabasupport? You understand? Sayithanda iDream Cup so hle sisupporta. Okubaleka kakhulu ukuthi ibeke uthando lemphakathi phambili nothando lwebhola phambili yohlezi nayo isenhlizweni zethu.
Nganzakwethu besikhona ku Dream Cup nensizwa uMahaye, huge supporter of Kaizer Chiefs. Danko.
Siyabonga.